Alright, what's up guys? Today's like my first video and I heard a lot of people saying they like hack games and stuff. So today I will be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers. I'm not sure if you ever heard of that game. But yeah, all you wanna do is just go to this is like a game called AC Market. So I'm gonna search up AC Market. Wait a minute. Yeah. And then it will go to this page. Make sure it's this page. What you do is download AC Market. Press OK. And I'll get back to you guys. Never mind. So you go to AC Market. And you want to install it. I'll get back to you guys when that is finished. Okay guys, so when it is done downloading, you want to press open. And then it'll show up this page. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar and type in Subway Surfers. Okay, now you'll see it right here. And if you see the blue, that this is like what the mod comes with unlimited coins and keys and unlock. So what you're going to do is just press install. And you'll see like a number 1 right here. So I'm going to click on that. And what you gotta do is just wait for the download. I'm gonna just wait for it. In the meantime, I'm just looking around for more games. You could do this for Alright guys, my bad. My sister had called me. Okay, so when it's done downloading, you want to press install. And now you just wait for it to install. You wait for it to install. It's gonna take probably like 30 seconds to a minute. I don't know sometimes. Okay. So you just wait. And if you want my Discord, it's Dice262. That's my Discord. Okay, I'll get back to y'all when, yeah, there it is. Okay, so you press open. Wait when this will show up as always, because it's the normal Subway Surfers. So, you wait for it to load. It's the Creole World Tour, Subway Surfers. Okay guys, let me turn this down. Okay, now as you can see, I'm gonna just do a random date or whatever. Just do that. Okay. It's loading. Okay, so you just press this. You do a little tutorial. Alright guys, as you can see, look at all that, look at all them keys, look at all that, all them coins, and look at all that. It's just crazy. You can buy as many as you want, and it never runs out. And as you know, you got all these people and all that stuff. Well that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And have a great day playing your hack Subway Surfers.